there. The heat out there is up. So daddy turn now. See it there? He did it for everybody.
One go, cow march go back up. Cow march go back. You sound like a little what that?
How are you go, Bingy?
Watch yourself.
Boom, boom. R.
I wouldn't know about that one day.
We are skate, you're blind.
Yeah, sure.
Oh my.
Good. You can't have it here every, you can't have the stretch no more.
Pika, pika. Pika, pika.
Mad bug. Come enjoy some of nature, you know what I mean, before the storm. Look at it. You see me? It's a good look. Nice fresh air in the early morning. Fish them everywhere. You see me? So just come for an early morning walk. Like I say, come take in some of nature. Watch your Mashell, watch your duck and him and the kids them. Them kids are big though. Hold on there, 3 kids them. Cause the mother don't look so big. Yeah man.
How far you go? Which part of fishing you go?
Yeah?
I go more on the door, man.
Nah man, we can't go and walk man. We just running water and it have a whole heap of fish in it, so it has a smell kind of right.
I said I hope I don't fall in there.
No, you'll be alright. Just don't try to fall in there.
And I'm smell stinky.
Alright, come on guys, let's go. It's a good vibe. It's a good vibe from people. You see me?
You see them fish there, you can't see fish now, we don't throw something now. See there?
Yo, look on them fancy tail and another fancy tail and fish in the young.
Which part?
Daddy, can you video me on that rock?
You could step over there.
You want the brother? You see him?
Just don't fall, okay? Come on guys.
See there? Look on the fancy tail dog. You see him?
Yeah. You can't cook?
Yes, sir. Watch your seat again, Panta.
Must see him. Hey guys, say what's up? Hi. How you guys doing? Alright, that is it. Alright, let's start the journey again. We're up on an adventure. You know what I mean? Early morning walk like we said. Them say it a storm, so there you go. Aye. What is it? Oh, the ducks. They're swimming now because there's no more road to walk. Come on. Up, dee up. Right. Yeah, my people. Nice.
Alright. What do you do?
You know, I'll never buy money for myself right now, though. I thought something cool in that one I'm going to
We are everybody outside. You see me? Like me say, walk-ins. Up top. You see me? People, but they're on an early morning walk. Them say the storm will come tomorrow, so we'll try to get to walking up and gunning. Like I say, we enjoy nature. You see me? But before we get into all of that, we're on this overhead bridge, 8-lane overhead bridge, one of the widest bridges so far, and we're just keeping moving. You see me? Alright. People are like canoe downstairs. People in my canoe are go down the river. Yes.
I do some of this too, bro.
You like canoe too?
Yeah, bro.
Alright, I keep it moving on our journey. We're just going to walk to our leg them, drop off. Put our leg them on our shoulder when we're done. Alright, we're forward, man. Walk a go on good, my people. Hot, but it's go on good. We still have to go and enjoy it. For real. We and the kids them, brother them, you know what I mean, nephew and bear things. They're on a journey. Mashell always a fishing everywhere him going fish. Anyway, him feel like water there, him fish, but that's a film nature, so I have to just leave him to it. You see me? Yeah, man, so at least you know so that's a film hobby. So we still go and walk, we still go and take in nature, we still go and enjoy ourselves. You know what I say, like me always say, it's always a vibes. You see me? Always a vibes. Real talk, real real. Enjoy the shit out of nature. Always a vibes. Real. What is, man? What we sound like nature? Nature is a must. Look on that. You see me? Really.
Oh my.
Good? You can't have your ear heavy, but you can't have the stretch no more.
Pika pika. Pika pika.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You getting a picket?
You see Texas secret level 7. Just don't want to walk down the streets.
You walk on this slip off gone in there.
No, bro, just I let the snake and then shit down so.
Anaconda, them water, anaconda love there now, you know.
I don't know,
And then dead water, yeah.
yeah, then rather thing they like rather snake, yeah.
And then bitches just swim fast, you know, like. For real.
What's there?
There. The heat out there is up. So daddy turn now. See it there? How far back you want it now, brother? Up top? So, on the side. Rihanna way.
I say no. Alive.
Hey, me, I'm see the hairstylist over here. What's your name? What's your name? How you mean? Why see it there, see it there. Hairstylist. You know? Don't want to do them thing. You know what I mean? Yeah. What you do?
Okay, good, that's fine.
Yes, that's it. That's it. Hairstylist, that's it. Yeah, give him a pony. I mean, man. Feel the breeze, eh?
Yeah, feel better.
Alright. What you think? What you think? That's your bit for dinner? Yeah? I mean, man. What up, Squidward?
Look at my brain.
Hey! Bah! What you doing? What you doing?
If you mind you shake it in the valley like
Nothing but nature, man. Look on that, no, man. Come here. Yeah, come on. You need the exercise. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Step on one side. Step on one side. Come on.
Daddy,
Come. A what?
Electric bike.
For what? Ride with the lazy self or buy an electric bike.
So
Come
I
on.
can just ride around.
Yeah, ride, use your feet, get the exercise.
So I don't need to move my feet.
Yeah, come. That's how we do the generation of kids. But now everything remote. Now I do nothing physical no more. Them no want to do nothing more with people. You see me? Them want everything easy. You see me? So, nah man, not with me. Physical fitness is a must. Watching back there struggle. Come on, don't struggle, come on. You can do it. You can do it, push them legs. Let's go, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. So fine. That little part up on the trail. We say we come check out. You know, look at history. I guess about the trail there. You see me? You know, so everything have a history in Texas. Anyway at all where you go still. There's always a history. You see me? Boom. You see me? Indians and be things. Everywhere you go is a history. It's always a part of somebody's life before. You know what I mean? Not only say canalization or, you know what I mean, no discovery thing, but somebody always owns something. So it's always good for kind of can explore somebody else's history and learn something else about somebody. Even though I'm not in a reading now, for be honest, but it's just good to know by the pictures and what the park all about, what the trail all about. But we still up on our journey, we still are going to chat it. You see me? It's a good vibes. Nah, stop say that. Alright. Hey, catch one. You just show me this on YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Alright, we'll go there and get the bug. Texas cichlid. Cichlid? Yeah.
You seen them use that for bait?
We're gonna go get that bug and catch him on water there.
Can I feel it?
Just show me that crab.
Feels like that.
Them year 6 till 12. Big breeze hot like summer. On the court, get tired and run.
Jano Star. Our Bingy I go on a bicycle. Yo Bingy, how you go? Yo Bingy. How you go Bingy?
Boom, boom.
I wouldn't know about that one day.
Skate, you're blind.
Yeah, sure.
On the bicycle.
You say if one of them house you can float on the toll later. We Texas say a storm, I lie?
Ready? Yeah, man, can go and walk again. Music, walking a style, how can I hiking this?
Hiking you!
Full of any, no chaser. Stay on one side. Stay on one side, guys.
If you not ride bicycle, go in front.
Yes, stay on one side.
Stay on one side. Careful. Careful. There you go. Yeah, I do not ride now. Walk your walk.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm not going to there. When I back up.
In China. Hey, I remember.
Don't worry. Parrot, how are them there? I lie. I hear bicycle alone, me know I go say, you know.
You know, say, you see them bicycle, them expensive.
And I lie, you know.
Bicycle is expensive, bro. I tell you, one bicycle can run all that grand, easy.
And more than a grand too.
The rent of bicycle.
And like feather when you take them up, yeah? You use a fingernail, not your finger.